Hello students, today we discuss about chapter 3 and learn about chapter 3. So what is the name of chapter 3? Pair of linear equation in two variables. Now what is the meaning of pair? Pair means two, linear means highest degree is 1. And the general form of pair of linear equation of two variable is a1x, b1y, c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the general form of linear equation of two variables. And for finding their solution, to find the value of x and y, we have two methods for finding the solution. First is graphically method, second is algebraically method. So first we will discuss about graphically method. Graphically method means you have taken the solution of these two equations which I have done in 9th class in chapter 4. How can you find the solutions? You know about it. At least two solutions is required for each of those equations. And plot these points on the graph, join it, you get the straight line. And for finding these solution, there are three cases. And first case, if the line are intersecting at any point, then graph like with that. If the lines are coincide each other, then graph like with that. If two lines are parallel to each other, then graph like with that. For example, I have taken one pair of equation. First equation is x plus y is equal to 3. Second is 2x plus 5y is equal to 12. So first, we have taken x plus y is equal to 3. You find the solution. You know about how can you find the solution in 9th class. If you have taken the value of x is 1 and put this equation in x is 1, you get the value of y is 2. Similarly, you put x is 2, you get the value of y is 1. This is the solution of this equation. Similarly, we have taken the equations 2x plus 5y is equal to 12. You find the solution of that equations. And after that solution, you plot these points on the graph like that. You plot the point, join it, you get the two straight line. And where these two straight line meet, this is the solution of the equations. Let's see. This is from x is 1, from y is to 2. So 1 and 2, it means value of x is 1 and value of y is 2. You get the solutions. So this is the method to find the solutions of x and y from graphically method. Similarly, 3.1 exercise you have done like that. And in 3.1 exercise, first question is, let's see, in first question, the age of Aftab, his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were, then also there will 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. And represent the situation graphically and algebraically, both. So first we have discussed about graphically. So according to the equations, first you will take, let the age of Aftab be x years and age of his daughter is y years. And age of Aftab 7 years ago will be x minus 7. His daughter will be y minus 7. According to equations, we have make the equation. Situation, we have write the equation. And similarly for second equation, the age of Aftab after 3 years x plus 3. Age of his daughter y plus 3. Similarly, according to situation, we have write the equation. And now those solve these equations. Let's see x minus y, 7 into y minus 7. You solve. It will be x minus 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7. X minus 7y is equal to minus 42. X minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. This will be your first equation. Similarly, you have solved the second equation. X plus 3, 3y plus 9. So, x minus 3y plus 3, 9, 0. X minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is your second equation. Now, you make the solutions of these equations and plot it on the graph paper, join and find the solution of x and y. You solve these equations. Similarly, you have complete exercise 3.1. There are 3 questions. You read the statement and write their equations, and after that you find solution and plot the solution on the graph and join it. When you plot these points and join these, there will be 3 cases will be. You will discuss its parallel, coincide or intersecting. You check yourself. So, okay students, first you read this and you try 3.1 exercise, and after that you check page number 46 from your book like that. You read this table very carefully. After that, we will discuss about this table, what is the meaning of this table, and according to this table, we will be do exercise 3.2. Okay, bye now, and you read it very carefully and try 3.1 exercise. Okay.